Welcome to Dominoes. We'll deliver in 30 minutes or less, or it's free. Our phone staff are trained to give a personalized experience when taking your order. Our dough is made fresh daily. Water, oil, salt, sugar, chemicals, and finally the flour. Now, we roll the dough into balls and place them carefully into the trays. We place the pizzas carefully into the oven so they bake evenly until ready. After it's baked, our team slices it carefully and places it in the Dominoes box, ready to reach your home in 30 minutes or less, or it's free. You must be wondering who really pays the price when it takes longer than 30 minutes. Go ahead, take a look.